Good morning, David Coombe here with the CBS AM Debrief. It's Thursday the 22nd of September and we've had another night of turmoil here on both sides of the Atlantic. In the United States, the Fed moved to lower rates on consumer loans and also noted significant risks to the economic forecasts that it's previously made. So seeing more trouble ahead there in the economy. And on the other side of the Atlantic, we had Standard & Poor's downgrade several Italian banks just for good measure. So that was sufficient to see the markets in triple-digit moves for the Dow, down 283 or 2.5%. The broader S&P 500 nearly 3%, and Nasdaq a little bit less, around 2%. Over in Europe, similar sorts of numbers in percentage terms. With Milan, they're actually not as badly hit. I think their banks have already been pretty badly savaged, so the decline there on the Milan FTSE was not as bad as might have been expected. In fact, the DAX was worse at 2.47. The Euro Stoxx 50 at 2%, and looks like the only mover to the upside there, albeit very modest, was Switzerland up 0.07. We did end up closing the day up slightly, well, reasonable amount there, 0.78, but we're not looking for a similar sort of move today. In fact, the SPY has us down over 100 points here. We know that 4,000 is a pretty key level, so we're going to be right on the cusp there, judging by the suggestion there from the SPY. I'll move over and have a look at the commodity space now. Everything pretty much sold off here. US dollar strength is the theme at the moment. We had West Texas here at 85.92, so down another dollar. We will be getting towards a key level there, just under $25. If you have a look at the Barrett's Bulletin, we talk about the level there, which you could think of shorting crude at. Big movers here, I won't go through all of them. Coffee down over 3%, cotton down 2.45%. Sugar down 3.28, and the only riser was oats and cocoa. Everything else down. Copper actually had a little bit of a recovery here, interesting overnight, up 3.85 cents. Gold had a little bit of a roller coaster ride there. We did get a number of clients into gold there yesterday, and we didn't get taken out on our stop losses, so we're almost back up to our entry point here. But it seems like, again, the US dollar is the theme, that's the key, and gold's kind of being left behind here a little bit, at least in the last 24 hours. Okay, as mentioned, we had US dollar strength coming through here, so most of our cross rates here have come off. Euro buying 1.3580. The pound buying just 1.55, the US dollar buying 76.42, and the Aussie nearly back at parity here. Looks like there's only one way for that at the moment. Lock in those holiday dollars while you still can. US dollar now actually buying more Canadian, 1.0065, so that's broken to the other side there, and the US dollar buying nearly 0.9 of the Swiss franc. Okay, I'm not going to go through anything on the Falcon Trader today because there's really nothing there that needs to be updated, so I'm going to leave it at that and wish you a good day's trading. Probably best to be short in this market, so unless you know something no one else knows. So good luck with that, and of course that's apart from gold, which we like going long, but we'll see. Okay, bye for now.